This is a video on how to play the small G7, small E, small A minor, small F minor, and then small B minor chords. So we're going to start with the G7. To play the small G7, we take our pointy finger and we put it on fret 1 of string 1. We play only 3 strings, the first 3 strings of the guitar. 1, 2, 3. Next is the small E chord. The small E chord we play by putting pointy finger onto the first fret of string 3. We play the first 3 strings again. Next we have the small A minor. To play the small A minor, we have to bring finger number 2 up to fret 2, and we're going to hop that shape down a string. So, the same shape as the E chord, except we hop our finger down a string, and then we bring finger 2 down onto fret 2 of string 3. We play the first 3 strings again. Next we have the small F chord. Now the first way you can play the small F chord is by taking your pointy finger and holding down fret 1 of string 1 and fret 1 of string 2 at the same time. We want to make our finger flat for this so that we can hear both those strings. This time we're only going to play the first 2 strings of the guitar. If you can use finger number 2 to play the second fret of string 3. Then you can play the first 3 strings. Next is our small F sharp minor. The way we play this chord is by taking the pointy finger and pushing down onto frets 2, 2, and 2 of strings 1, 2, and 3. Just like with the F chord, we're going to push down with a flat finger and make sure that we can hear every one of those 3 strings. Next, we're going to play the small B minor chord. The way we do this is by taking pointy finger and putting it onto the second fret of string 1. Then finger number 2 goes on to the 3rd fret of string 2. Then finger number 3 goes into the 4th fret of string 4. So we make a line, a diagonal line down the guitar. Finger number 1, finger number 2, and finger number 3. Fret 2, next string, fret 3, next string, fret 4. And we play the first 3 strings.